Tearaway machinery vertical cuttings dryer. It works by centrifugation. Separate the solid liquids. It's used on land and at sea. Drilling cuttings treatment in drilling. It can effectively recover the liquid phase components in drill cuttings. Make the solid phase very dry. Tearaway machinery vertical cuttings. Mainly for centralized treatment of cuttings and sludge while drilling. Pre-processing. It can remove the mud from the drill cuttings. Recycle. In oil well, mud and synthesizer mud. Drilling cuttings treatment. Exceptionally good. Treated mud can meet international emission standards and environmental requirements. Features of the dryer: up to 900 revolutions per minute. The discharge scraper is made of high chromium cast iron. Discharge scraper made of high chromium iron. It can effectively prevent the blockage of the blue screen.